Hey, welcome to the Explainer. Usually we're digging into some pretty dense research to figure out what's coming next. But today we're going to do something a little different. We are going to deconstruct just one single sentence. It's a holiday greeting, and believe it or not, this one sentence gives us this incredible peek into a future where humans and AI are, well, starting to talk together. Let's break it down.
Okay, so think about it. Anytime you get a message, what's the first thing you want to know? It's simple, right? Who's it from? The sender gives you all the context you need. So, with this greeting, that's exactly where we're going to start. Who is a sender? Or maybe a better question is, what are the senders? So, the message kicks off on pretty familiar ground on behalf of Bob Slovic. Okay, simple enough. It's a person's name. It anchors the whole thing in a human context we can all relate to. So far, so good. This feels like any other traditional holiday message. Then we get the next layer, Chief Technologist. And this little detail, it immediately starts to shift our expectations. See, this isn't just a friendly note from some guy named Bob. It's a message from someone whose entire world is built around technology and what's next. The context is definitely getting bigger. And then the final piece of the puzzle drops into place, completing the picture. Virtualization Options LLC. So let's recap. We've got a person, a title, and a company. Seems pretty standard, right? Like a normal corporate greeting. But trust me, this is exactly where the message takes a really fascinating turn. The greeting uses the phrase, "We'd all like to wish you." Now, we've already met Bob Slovic, so who exactly is the we? This one little word, we, is the pivot point. It's where a totally traditional greeting steps right into the 21st century. And here it is. Here's the answer. The we is Bob Slovic and all his various artificial intelligence resources, systems, and personas. Whoa. Think about that for a second. This is just extraordinary. Resources could mean things like datasets. Systems, okay, those are probably the AI models themselves. But personas, that suggests something way more. AIs with their own distinct identities. So this holiday wish isn't from a man and his coworkers. It's from a man and his AI collective. So now that we know who this futuristic group of senders is, what are they actually trying to say? Well, it's something profoundly human, wishing you and yours only the best. And that contrast is just beautiful, isn't it? You've got this incredibly traditional, warm sentiment of goodwill, but it's being delivered by this brand new kind of human-AI collaboration. And the wish doesn't just stop at the present moment. It covers both this holiday season and the future, throughout the new year. It's really the complete package of goodwill, for right now and for everything that's coming up. So let's put it all back together one more time. The full message is pretty remarkable. On behalf of Bob Slovic, Chief Technologist at Virtualization Options LLC, and all his various artificial intelligence resources, systems, and personas, we'd all like to wish you and yours only the best this holiday season and throughout the new year. It's really like a snapshot of a world where humanity and our own technology are starting to speak with a single unified voice. This greeting is so much more than just a simple holiday wish. It's a signpost. It's pointing to the future. As our technology stops being just a tool and starts becoming a true collaborator, how are we going to express the things that make us the most human? How are we going to carry our oldest, most cherished traditions into a future that we actually co-create with AI? That's a huge question, and it's one for all of us to think about. Thanks for watching.